next question is, what is the most Jamaican item that you own?
A Dutch pot.
Why is that the most Jamaican thing?
One time that your grandmother probably use it.
Yeah, but people love say like cake soap, you know? Everybody have like a cake soap in them when you're cool on your face and stuff.
Yeah, but me have a Dutch pot, so I'm not work with it.
I wanna say I'm a Jamaican, come have a cake soap in my yard all the time, every day. What is something you would have sent back home? Like if them say, yo, buy me one of them, yeah, for make me think about, yeah, like an Irish spring cake soap.
That's send one of them nice clothes, you know, them and some clocks.
Most Jamaican thing, a bed.
I boy say bed sweet and nice.
That bed, that a bed.
See, the people love to sleep. So you're the second person who said that.
A bed. Everybody, the most thing must be a bed.
But I give them one of the Jamaican, the shirt they were selling.
Fresh marina and them thing.
Yeah.
Like a color, yeah. Like a color marina
Yeah,
there.
I know it's a Jamaican.
My own, like clocks and them thing in my bake. Clocks no
How
one.
much the clocks you have?
I all eat, man. I ask them, mama, man.
Can't count them.
I see that, judge me, judge it.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. Judge me, judge them.
All right.